Hello, you aspiring programmers or current programmers. I am Carlos Lopez, a computer science major who wants to delve deeply into data science. Today, I'll start a series of videos called PostgreSQL Bytes for those who want some brief knowledge on PostgreSQL. For this PostgreSQL Byte, we're going to go over what is a common table expression, also known as a CTE. What is a common table expression? First of all, a common table expression is the result set of a query which exists temporarily and for use only within the context of a larger query, okay? So basically, it is a statement. It begins with the keyword with, okay? The keyword with. So basically, we add a name. So for instance, I can say with alias 1 as open bracket and then a select query and then a closing bracket. For now, there's no need to add any particular semicolon because it's going to be part of a larger query, okay? Now, when we set it, we have those values saved temporarily for the duration of the main query, okay? And that is it. That the temporality of this common table expression is the duration of the query. Just to re-emphasize. So you might be wondering, okay, how are common table expressions helpful? Well, CTEs allow users to write more readable, simplified code that is in separate ordered blocks as opposed to nested, complex subqueries, okay? What you can see here in this image is this nasty nesting, okay? You can have different aliases for this particular CTE to store the values you need in the particular format that you need, okay? And you can use join statements to join this particular CTEs once you want a main query to format data in a particular way. Now, they are an alternative to creating a view in a database, and it is quite helpful. For now, just know that this video will go on the basics of a CTE, and there will be future videos on examples of how we can use CTEs more effectively for particular situations. How to create a CTE in PostgreSQL. Okay, so initiate a CTE using the keyword with. Provide a name alias for the soon-to-be result set of the query. After writing the name, follow with the keyword as. Define the query to be completely sure that you produce the desired result set, okay? Note, this works for most SQL variants such as MySQL or MySQL. You notice that you have with total twits as an open bracket, and within it you have the subquery, or in reality the query, okay? It is sort of like a subquery, but you have it in a block before the main query to make the code more readable and neat. Now, here you can see in the right that I used a subquery. This was my original solution. I did not use a CTE. However, you can use a CTE. This particular problem doesn't necessarily need that much of a CTE. It is just nice to have in case they may ask you in a data science interview, for instance, okay, you have to write this nested statement as a set of blocks that use CTEs. You'd be prepared if you knew precisely what a CTE is, and that is what it is helpful for. You can see that the code is more readable, and you can notice quite well that in the first block of code that is called total twits, we restrict the range and only get twits for 2022 because that's what the assignment required. Stay tuned for more PostgreSQL Bytes. Thank you for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you liked it, and thank you. Peace out.